Okay guys, this is the brick road of sidewalk in Esteban. So after last summer, they continued to finish that project. So until now, hopefully this summer are done. Okay, it's nice, but it's inconvenient for the commuters or the riders. Okay, is it good? But the problem is inconvenient in the sidewalks or in the road. So hopefully this summer before end it's done both sides, because actually there's a everyday working until Saturday. So it's a nice weather today, rainy sometimes windy, sometimes rainy, sometimes cloudy, sometimes sunny. So it depends the weather, but it's good. Okay, just hope we are done this road and both sidewalks. Okay, for the community. Okay, so see you guys. Hopefully this vlog for today, this afternoon, Sunday, almost 5 o'clock p.m. Sunny day. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for next week. Okay, so hopefully you like it. Please like and comment and share, and just subscribe. That's important, and notification bell. Click the notification bell. Okay, see you guys. Hopefully you like it, this and latest video for my YouTube channel, and that's it. Okay, so see you again next time.